This residential project exemplifies the modern luxury that every homeowner dreams, combining comfort with a lavish atmosphere. Extravagant details are meticulously incorporated into every corner, from the furniture to the materials used, creating a truly opulent space. The living area is exquisite, featuring gold accents in the materials, furnitures, and decor. Showcasing textured wallpaper in the bedroom can be an excellent way to add personality and interest to the room while maintaining a cohesive design. Transform your bedroom into a haven of comfort and elegance with a luxurious bed featuring a sophisticated headboard. Complement it with chic bedside tables adorned with modern lamps, and layer the bed with a mix of soft linens and textured blankets. Create an elegant dining space with a sleek table surrounded by upholstered chairs, highlighted by a stunning centerpiece that ties the room together. The space acts as a sanctuary for our clients, designed to captivate and allure anyone who enters, evoking a welcoming aura. At CMV, we are dedicated to crafting the best solutions for our clients, ensuring that every space is utilized to its fullest potential without compromising on design. Our mission is to make the best happen by harmonizing functionality and aesthetics.